What's up, YouTube? It's K back at it again. I finally rent the machine from Home Depot. It's just a Kubota. I'm gonna use this to dig out the septic and the drains, and also just move a few things around the yard, clean it up a little bit. I haven't operated one of these since we first cleared out the property, in about it's been almost about 4 or 5 years now. So hopefully everything goes as planned. Believe it or not, my baby actually pulled it. No problem. I was thinking it was pretty low to the ground, not gonna lie, but we got it done. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna be working because it costs a lot of money to rent this machine, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I can out of it. I will show like a little update once I get used to the controls and whatnot, but we working. More progress on the tiny house. Stay tuned.